Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the battery in the Conga 4090. Today, we will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you have all the necessary tools and knowledge. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a clean cloth for any internal cleaning. Begin by turning off the Conga 4090 and unplugging it from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure that all power sources are disconnected before proceeding. Next, locate the screws on the bottom of the device. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place so you don't lose any parts. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic prying tool to lift the cover off the device. Be cautious while doing this to avoid damaging any clips that may be holding the cover in place. After removing the cover, you will see the battery compartment. It is advisable to clean the internal area with a cloth to remove any dust or debris. This helps maintain the device's performance and longevity. Now, disconnect the old battery by gently pulling on the connector. Make sure to handle it with care to avoid any damage to the wiring. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, take your new battery and connect it to the connector. Ensure that it is securely attached to prevent any issues later on. Once the new battery is in place, it's time to reassemble the device. Place the cover back onto the Conga 4090 and press down gently to ensure it snaps back into place. Then, replace the screws you previously removed with the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure they are tightened adequately, but be careful not to over-tighten as this can cause damage. If you find that you need assistance at any point, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. Our services include a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Finally, once everything is reassembled, plug in the device and turn it on. Check to see if the battery is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, no calls, no travel. We're here to assist you with our seamless services. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Conga 4090. Thank you for following this tutorial. For more tips and tutorials, stay tuned. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.